Hi everyone, welcome to Secure Before. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of cyber threats. From the early days of computer viruses to the sophisticated attacks we see today, we'll explore how cyber threats have evolved over the years. Let's get started. Cyber threats have been around since the early days of the internet. In the 1980s, the first computer viruses like the ELK cloner and Brain emerged. The ELK cloner virus, created as a prank by a high school student, spread through floppy disks and displayed a poem on infected computers. The Brain virus, originating from Pakistan, was the first virus to target IBM PCs and spread globally, causing significant disruption. As the internet grew, so did the complexity of cyber threats. The 1990s saw the rise of malware, with infamous examples like the Melissa and I Love You viruses. The Melissa virus, named after an exotic dancer, spread through email attachments and caused widespread damage by infecting thousands of computers within hours. The I Love You virus, disguised as a love letter, tricked users into opening an attachment that unleashed a destructive payload, causing billions of dollars in damage. Today, cyber threats are more sophisticated than ever. Ransomware attacks like WannaCry have caused global chaos, encrypting data and demanding ransom payments to restore access. Advanced persistent threats, APTs, are another major concern, as they involve prolonged and targeted attacks on critical infrastructure, often backed by nation-states. These threats highlight the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and constant vigilance. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, present new challenges and opportunities for both attackers and defenders. AI can be used to automate attacks and create more sophisticated malware, while IoT devices can be exploited to launch large-scale attacks. Staying informed and vigilant is key to protecting ourselves in this digital age. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Secure Before for more updates on cybersecurity. Stay safe online.